Meaning, delegation. Meaning, dear students, today we will discuss delegation.
Then,
Meaning, delegation is the process of assigning tasks, responsibilities, and decision-making authority from a manager or leader to subordinates or team members within an organization. It involves entrusting others with the authority to perform specific tasks or make decisions on behalf of the delegator. Delegation is a crucial management skill that helps distribute workloads, foster employee development, and improve organizational efficiency. Advantages of delegation. 1. Workload distribution. Delegation allows a manager to distribute tasks and responsibilities among team members, preventing an overload of work on one individual. 2. Skill development. Delegation provides opportunities for employees to develop new skills, gain experience, and grow professionally. 3. Time management. Managers can focus on high-priority tasks and strategic responsibilities by delegating routine or less critical work. 4. Employee empowerment. Delegation empowers employees, boosting their confidence and sense of ownership over their work. 5. Efficiency. Delegating tasks to individuals with the appropriate expertise can lead to more efficient and effective task execution. 6. Conflict resolution. Delegation can help resolve conflicts and improve relationships by involving team members in decision-making and problem-solving. Disadvantages of delegation. 1. Loss of control. Delegating authority means giving up some level of control, which can be challenging for managers who are used to overseeing every detail. 2. Quality concerns. If the delegate lacks the necessary skills or experience, the quality of work may suffer. 3. Miscommunication. Incomplete or unclear delegation instructions can lead to misunderstandings and errors in task execution. 4. Loss of confidentiality. Delegating sensitive or confidential tasks may pose risks to maintaining confidentiality. 5. Resistance. Employees may resist taking on additional responsibilities if they feel overwhelmed or underappreciated. 6. Time-consuming. Initially, delegation can be time-consuming as managers need to provide guidance and support to those to whom tasks are delegated. Barriers to delegation. 1. Lack of trust. A lack of trust in the abilities of team members can hinder delegation. 2. Fear of job security. Managers may fear that delegating their tasks could make them less indispensable to the organization. 3. Perfectionism. A perfectionist mindset can lead managers to believe that they are the only ones capable of doing the job right. 4. Inadequate training. If employees haven't received adequate training or have limited experience, managers may hesitate to delegate tasks. 5. Poor communication. Ineffective communication can lead to misunderstandings and poor task execution. Guidelines for effective delegation. 1. Select the right tasks. Choose tasks that are suitable for delegation, considering complexity, importance, and the skills of potential delegates. 2. Identify competent delegates. Select individuals with the necessary skills, experience, and motivation for the delegated task. 3. Set clear expectations. Clearly communicate the task's objectives, scope, deadlines, and any relevant guidelines. 4. Provide adequate authority. Ensure delegates have the necessary authority to make decisions related to the task. 5. Offer support and resources. Offer guidance, training, and resources to assist delegates in completing their tasks successfully. 6. Monitor progress. Maintain open communication and check in on the progress of delegated tasks without micromanaging. 7. Encourage feedback. Encourage delegates to ask questions, seek help when needed, and provide feedback on their experiences. 8. Recognize and appreciate. Acknowledge the efforts and achievements of those who have taken on delegated tasks. 9. Evaluate outcomes. Assess the outcomes and quality of work to provide constructive feedback and determine whether further delegation is warranted. 10. Learn from mistakes. accept that mistakes may happen and view them as opportunities for growth and improvement. Effective delegation contributes to better time management, employee development, and organizational efficiency. By addressing the barriers and following these guidelines, managers can leverage delegation as a valuable management tool. Centralization and decentralization. Centralization are opposing approaches to the distribution of decision-making authority within an organization. Centralization. Meaning, centralization involves concentrating decision-making authority at the top or within a single point in the organization's hierarchy. Top management or a central authority makes most, if not all, key decisions, and lower-level employees or departments have limited autonomy. Advantages. 1. Consistency. Centralization ensures that decisions and policies are consistent and aligned with the organization's strategic goals. 2. Control. It provides strong control over organizational processes, allowing for standardization and compliance. 3. Efficiency. In some cases, centralization can lead to cost savings through economies of scale and reduced duplication of efforts. 4. Clarity. Decision authority is clear and unambiguous. Disadvantages. 1. Bureaucracy. Centralization can lead to bureaucratic inefficiencies, slowing decision-making and responsiveness. 2. Lack of local knowledge. Decisions may not take into account the unique characteristics or needs of different locations or departments. 3. Demotivation. Employees may feel disempowered and demotivated due to limited autonomy and participation in decision-making. 4. Risk of errors. Decisions made at the top may not always be well informed, leading to potential errors and inefficiencies. Decentralization. Meaning, decentralization involves distributing decision-making authority across various levels of the organization, allowing lower-level employees or departments to have more autonomy and make decisions that are within their areas of expertise. Advantages. 1. Local expertise. Decentralization enables decision-makers closer to the action to apply their local expertise and knowledge. 2. Motivation. Employees feel empowered and motivated when they have a say in decision-making, leading to improved job satisfaction. 3. Faster response. Decentralized units can respond more quickly to local issues and opportunities. 4. Innovation. Local decision-makers can innovate and adapt to unique circumstances, driving creativity and competitiveness. Disadvantages. 1. Inconsistency. Decentralization can result in inconsistent policies and procedures across the organization. 2. Loss of control. Top management may have less control and oversight, leading to potential risks and deviations from the organization's strategic objectives. 3. Duplication. Decentralized units may duplicate efforts and resources in some cases. 4. Communication challenges. Effective communication and coordination can be more challenging in a decentralized structure. Challenges of decentralization. 1. Coordination. Coordinating activities and decisions across decentralized units can be complex, requiring effective communication and alignment. 2. Consistency. Maintaining consistency in policies and practices across the organization can be challenging when multiple units have decision-making authority. 3. Risk management. Decentralization may increase the organization's exposure to risks, as local units may make decisions that have implications for the entire organization. Factors influencing decentralization. 1. Organizational size. Larger organizations may decentralize to empower local units and make decision-making more efficient. 2. Organizational culture. A culture that values empowerment and employee participation is more likely to embrace decentralization. 3. Industry and environment. The nature of the industry and external environment can influence the need for centralized or decentralized decision-making. 4. Technology. Technology can enable decentralized units to communicate and share information more effectively. 5. Leadership philosophy. The leadership's perspective on control and authority within the organization plays a significant role in deciding the degree of centralization or decentralization. 6. Competitive pressure. Competitive pressures may drive organizations to decentralize to respond more quickly to market changes. 7. Regulatory requirements. Regulatory and compliance considerations may influence the degree of centralization necessary for adherence to legal requirements. Balancing centralization and decentralization is an ongoing challenge for organizations. The ideal structure depends on the specific needs and circumstances of the organization and its environment.